Yes, today is the first assignment of alkyl and aryl halides. In organic chemistry, there will be different categories of questions. First category is nomenclature. Second category is explain why, means these are reason-based questions. Then third category is what happens when. It means when this is reacted with this, what will happen? Now, in this type of questions, what you have to do, I'll tell you when we come to that category. Then one category is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks is the most important type of questions. With the help of fill in the blanks only, you'll be able to memorize reactions. Although there's no fill in the blanks in first or and second assignment, but subsequently there'll be many. Then one type of questions is conversions. How will you convert this compound into this? Plus many different types of miscellaneous questions. Then short notes, write a short note. One very important category question is distinguish between. How to handle different types of questions. I'll keep on telling you. So first question, give IUPAC names of following compounds. Also classify them into primary, secondary, tertiary, alkyl, this and this, halides. First is, I'll explain only 1, 2, 3. I'll not explain ABC because they're already there in your notes. We'll expand the structure. CH3 twice CH. Remember, when you expand the structure, valency of each and every carbon atom should be satisfied. But at the same time, you cannot move hydrogen from one carbon to another. You cannot add any hydrogen, right? So CH3 twice CH will be like this. Then CH, C2H5. I'll split each and every carbon. C2H5 will be CH2, CH3, and chlorine will come here. So this is the structure. Now we'll apply rules which I told you. We'll count in this direction. This will be 3-chloro-2-methyl pentane. 3-chloro-2-methyl pentane. And as far as classification is concerned, this is a secondary alkyl halide. Classification, secondary alkyl halide. Next, CH3 twice C. Then Cl, CH2, CH3. This is 2-chloro-2-methyl butane, 2-chloro-2-methyl butane, and this is tertiary alkyl halide. Then explain why. Answers to all these questions you'll find in notes because they are numbered as ABC. You might have seen they are in green. You'll find answers directly in your notes. In case you're not able to find any particular answer, you can always call me. Third question. What happens when? Now listen carefully. In this type of questions, you have to write a balanced chemical equation. Number 2, you have to write a sentence about that reaction. Like when so-and-so is reacted with so-and-so, so-and-so products are formed. Now, in case there is any name of the reaction, then you should also say, this is called Finkelstein's reaction or whatever reaction it is. If there is any color change or product of peculiar smell formed, then you should specify that in this reaction, bromine water gets decolorized or sweet smelling ester is formed. In case you write the product on the basis of a particular rule, then that should also be specified in the statement that so-and-so is the product obtained according to Markovnikov's rule or anti-Markovnikov's rule or Sazer's rule or whichever rule you apply to write the product, right? So we take up these questions. Propine is treated with bromine water. See. There are 2 pi bonds, therefore 2 molecules of bromine will be added. You'll write the equation and then you'll write, during this reaction, bromine water gets decolorized, right? Bromine water gets decolorized. That is the main thing you have to write. Second, 1-butene is heated with bromine in the presence of ultraviolet light. This is 1-butene. Is heated with bromine Now, in this case, allylic halogenation will take place. This is the allylic carbon. Allylic hydrogen will be replaced by bromine atom. So I'll write in this reaction, allylic bromination takes place to give 3-bromo-but-1-ene. Right? This is something very important reaction, and generally children forget about it. And most of the children, what do they write is product obtained is 1,2-dibromobutane. No, it's not an addition reaction. This is a substitution reaction. Third, 2-pentene is reacted with HBr in the presence of benzoyl peroxide. This is a very simple reaction. I'm not writing equation on the board. Product obtained will be 2-bromopentane according to anti-Markovnikov rule. Right? You write 2-bromopentane is obtained according to anti-Markovnikov rule. Fourth question. Give IUPAC names of all alkenes containing 6 carbon atoms to which Markovnikov's rule for the addition of HX is not applicable. See, whether it is Markovnikov rule or anti-Markovnikov's rule, these rules will not be applicable only when alkene is symmetrical. So there'll be 2 answers with 6 carbon atoms, and these answers will be 3-hexene is symmetrical. There's no need to apply any Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov rule. Second answer is 2,3-dimethyl-but-2-ene. These are 2 symmetrical alkenes containing 6 carbon atoms. No Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov rule has to be applied. Next question. Give IUPAC names of all isomers with the molecular formula C3H6Cl2. I'll just give you a hint. You can complete IUPAC names yourself. These will be 1,1, 2,2, 1,2, 1,3. Right? So these are 1,1, 2,2, 1,2, and 1,3 dichloropropane. Right? Dichloropropane is common in all these answers. Next, monochlorination of which isomeric alkane with molecular formula C5H12 gives only one product? C. There are 12 hydrogen atoms in C5H12. Question says, if we replace any one of these 12 hydrogen atoms, we should always get the same product. So which isomer with this formula will give only one product? And that isomer is neopentane, but you have to write IUPAC name. So IUPAC name will be 2,2-dimethyl propane. This is the compound. You replace any one of 12 hydrogen atoms, every time product obtained will be same. Next, give structures and IUPAC names of all isomers with molecular formula C7H7Cl, each containing 1 benzene ring. See, there will be 4 isomers. One is, I'm telling you the common name, but you have to write IUPAC name. You can find IUPAC names in notes or apply rules. Common name of this compound is benzyl chloride. This is common name orthotolulyl chloride. IUPAC, please apply rules yourself. You should learn something. Like ortho, there's meta and para also. So ortho, meta, para, there'll be 3, and this benzyl chloride is 4th isomer. You have to write IUPAC names of these compounds. After that, questions as such will find notes, answers in your notes.